Hi everyone, I'm Liam and welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about something that every English learner needs: vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important because it affects how you read, write, listen, and speak. If your vocabulary is small, it is hard to express yourself clearly and confidently. So, how can we improve it? In this episode, I will share simple and practical strategies that really work. They are not quick fixes, but if you follow them regularly, you will see real improvement. Let's get started. The first and most important habit is reading. The more you read, the more words you will see and understand. But here is an important tip. Read what you enjoy. If you like the topic, you will stay interested and remember words better. Do you like sports? Read sports articles or magazines. Do you like movies? Read movie reviews or even movie scripts. If a movie is based on a book, read the book. Books are very useful because they show how words are used in real sentences. Reading is the first step, but seeing words is not enough. To remember them, you also need to use them. That brings us to the next step: writing. Reading helps you see words, but writing helps you remember them. Every time you learn a new word, write it in a notebook and make a sentence with it. Make sure your sentence shows the meaning of the word. Take the word beautiful. Writing, "The sky is beautiful," is not enough. The sky can be many colors, so this sentence does not explain beautiful well. A better sentence is, "I love the beautiful sky with white clouds and sunshine. It makes me happy." This shows the meaning clearly and helps you remember it. Now that you can write words and sentences, let's see another way to grow your vocabulary: learning different forms of a word. When you learn a new word, don't stop at just one. Learn the other forms of the word. Ask yourself, is it a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb? Are there other forms of this word? Look at the word beautiful. It has many forms: beautiful, beautifully, beauty, beautify, beautician, a person who makes others more beautiful. One word can become 4 or 5 words. This is a very smart way to grow your vocabulary. Reading and writing are important, but listening is also very helpful. You can learn words by listening too. Listen to English talks, interviews, podcasts, or educational videos. Websites like TED Talks are very good because they sometimes have transcripts. When you hear a new word, write it down. If you do not know the spelling, write it how it sounds. Later, check the word in a dictionary or transcript. This helps you know how the word sounds and what it means. Listening is very useful for real-life English. Next, let's talk about how to look up words correctly. As your English improves, start using English-to-English dictionaries. When you look up a word in English, you learn not only that word, but also new words from the definition. You also see how the word is used in sentences. Bilingual legislators are helpful in the beginning, but do not rely on them too much. English dictionaries help you think in English, which is very important for fluency. Now, let's see a common mistake that you should avoid. Many learners write in their own language and then use translation apps to change it into English. This often makes sentences that sound strange or wrong. Words cannot always be translated word for word. Try writing sentences directly in English. Simple and correct sentences are much better than complicated but wrong sentences. Next, let's talk about a method that helps you remember words easily: vocabulary cards. Vocabulary cards, or flashcards, are very useful. Write the word on one side. Write the meaning or a sentence on the other side. Then, divide your cards into 3 groups: words you do not know, words you partly know, words you know well. Study the words you don't know the most. Move words to other groups when you remember them. Even words you know well should be reviewed sometimes. Finally, there is one last trick that helps you remember words better. Learning words in groups is very powerful. You can group words in 3 ways. By root, words like inject, reject, eject, and subject share the root ject. This helps you guess meanings. By similar meaning, words like increase, expand, accelerate, intensify, and reinforce all mean to grow or make stronger. By theme, for example, technology words: obsolete, update, downgrade, state-of-the-art, cutting edge. When words are connected, it is easier to remember and use them. Now that you know all these strategies, let's finish with some final advice. Improving vocabulary takes time. There is no shortcut. You need to practice, be patient, and use words many times. If you read, write, listen, and review words regularly, your English will improve step by step. Thanks for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, and don't give up. One word at a time.